Hey guys, I'm back with video number 2 already in my lockpicking series. This one should be tougher, but I don't think it will be. This is a Master number 3, pretty much one of the most popular padlocks in the world. To be fair, I've already picked this one a couple times as well, just for practice off camera. I'm going with bottom of the keyway again, just to allow my stupid homemade pick room to get in. And by the way, a paper clip is about the worst thing you can use because it's so springy it doesn't give you a lot of feel on the pins. Which is why I really need to be quiet so I can hear them click in. And there we go. I just opened a master lock, and about the same time it took me to open that very cheap $4 lock. Maybe even a little quicker. So that just goes to show, just because it has the name Master on it doesn't mean it's any good. To be honest, some of the other YouTube videos I've seen have shown that most master locks are crap. They used to be a great company. They are not anymore. Don't trust your valuables to a master lock.